Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be talking about Britain pounds versus US dollar, GBP USD. So I'm going to be showing my analysis on it. But before I get started, if you are just coming to this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so as to know when I post new videos. While returning viewers too, if you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. So let's get back to the main business of the day. I'm going to be sharing the analysis on GBP USD. So the first thing is this trend line. You can spot the trend line here. As you can see, this is a trend line here. 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 So when the price break the trend line, after the price break the trend line, the highest point there is going to be our resistance level. This is our resistance level here. So what we just need now is for the price to retest back to this resistance level. So when the price gets to this resistance level here, we are going to look for a good bearish rejection candle there. So when we find a good bearish rejection candle at the resistance level, we are going to take our sell position there. But don't forget, we are going to be looking for a good bearish rejection candle at the resistance level. And also, we have a good clarification here, because the price, when the price break the when the price break the trend line, the first higher low has get broken. I mean, this point has been break by the price before the price started retesting back to this resistance level. This point has been break, so this place is not strong again. This place is not strong again. So that's that on that. And I always tell you guys that when I analyze, I normally switch to the weekly time frame to check for the overall movement of the markets, like overall movement of the overall direction. So we are going to check the weekly time frame now, so that we are going to check whether we are not going to be selling at the support level. So we move to our weekly time frame now to check. So these are our weekly time frame here. These are our weekly time frame here. So as you can see, so the first thing is we are going to draw a trend line here. This is a trend line here. This is a trend line here. This is a trend line here. As you can see, this is a trend line here. And also, this is a trend line up here too. This is a trend line up here too. This is a trend line up here too. This is a trend line up here too on the weekly time frame. So as you can see now, we are not going to be selling at the support level. When if the price gets to the resistance level, is going to touch the trend line on the weekly time frame. I mean, this place, when the price gets to this resistance level, is going to touch the trend line on the weekly time frame, which give us another short confirmation. So what we just need there is we wait for the price to get to that point, to that resistance level, then we look for a good bearish rejection candle before taking our sell entry. So our risk reward will be, as you can see here, this is going to be our risk reward. This is going to be our risk reward there. This is going to be our risk reward. This is going to be our risk reward there. This is going to be our risk reward. As you can see, this is like 1:5 risk reward. As you can see, this is 1:5 risk reward. So what we need now is for the price to retest back to the resistance level. Then we are going to look for a good bearish rejection candle before taking our sell entry. When the price gets to the resistance level, we look for a good bearish rejection candle. Then we take our sell entry. We take our sell entry to the point where the trend line starts on the daily time frame. And don't forget, where the trend line starts on the daily time frame is where the trend line on weekly time frame too pass through. So that's that on GBP USD. So don't forget, kindly subscribe if you are watching the video or coming to this channel for the first time. Kindly subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell. Thank you.